I build my dreams with steady hands, but now the earth whispers my name to slow the pace and change the game. I plant my peace where patience grows in quiet fields. The truth still flows, the richest life, the calmest heart begins when I let rush depart. The glitter fades, the noise is gone. I hear the hum I've missed so long. Each breath becomes a sacred sound. Each moment blooms in solid ground. The things I've chased now fade to dust and leave behind what I can trust. The gold I seek is soft